Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome, y'all. I'm back out here at dog park, squirrel park. And I'm out here. I got my daughter here too. She's here chilling. And I got these two drones out here, both digital whoops. One a little larger. This is a 75mm. This is actually a little larger than 75 millimeters. Actually, it's the pro version where they cheat on the size. And then we have a traditional size whoop here with the Mobula 6 Hdzero ECO. This one is Walksnail. And so we about to check it out. And we finally got this guy out here in ideal conditions. So it's not a shadowy overcast at this time of the day. So well before the sun is starting to go down, we're going to get this guy out here and see the true potential of this camera. I'm gonna wipe the front of the lens off, make sure everything is clear. Then we're going to test this one too. We're going to fly this one, and I'm going to compare the two. I had to bring two separate monitor solutions out here. I actually have my Fat Shark goggles out here, the Walksnail Dominator HD Fat Shark goggles out here for the Walksnail. And then I have this little Emax Transporter 2 Hdzero HD version of the monitor that goes into the goggles. And yeah, we're just going to record. I think this only records in 720p, whereas the goggles it'll be 1080. So definitely going to be a higher resolution. But I think the camera quality there's a big difference in between the two as well. So we're going to be able to observe that. But right now we're going to get this guy up in the air first. I have 4 batteries out here, the newer batteries that I got. Curious to see how this guy looks in ideal conditions. So let me wipe off this lens real quick. Wipe off the lens. Get the lens real nice and crispy. There you go. No smudges or nothing on the lens now. Check it out. Let me wipe this one off while I'm at that. Wipe this one off too. And so let's get this guy up in the air first, y'all. FPV monitor here, and we're gonna take off real quick. Okay, I'm having a little bit of trouble seeing the monitor because of the sun out here, but for the most part I can see what I'm doing. I just flew by. Here we are right here, y'all. I'm trying to fly under. So we're cruising with this guy. Let's go up high and see what we see up here. Oh man, can't really see too well up there. The shadows, it just doesn't handle the shadows well. This camera doesn't. It's well enough to fly though. Definitely better than analog, I would say. What are we at? 3.4. huge carpenter bee flying near me. Try to bring it over here. Cheat a little bit, y'all. I'm flying a line of sight. Trying to get this guy landed right back in front of the camera. Close. Landed it right here off to the side. Let me unplug it, y'all. This Hdzero system, it has an option to just record immediately on plug-in, and so it should have been recording that already. And I think it was a good flight. But now let's try to get this Walksnail thing up in the air. Somebody coming through with the booming system on it. Alright, a lot more clear to me, anyhow. So you gotta skip the firmware version, mix match. Should be recording now, so I'll take off with it. A lot more confidence flying this guy because everything is a lot more clear. I think I need a little more tilt on my camera though to be able to fly this thing fast, comfortably. Let's go up high, see what it looks like up here. Handles shadows very well, so I'm confident with diving through all of this stuff, as I can see. I can actually see what's going on. I don't know where all these white flowers came from. Out of nowhere. Power loops and stuff. Confident with flying all through the trees and all. I can see every branch and everything. It looks like I'm not going to run into any scraggle or anything. It says there's no battery though. Whoa! Well, low battery. It's still saying 3.4. I don't want to get stuck in the tree. Being too courageous. Come take care of that trash right there. I'm not the best at doing an orbit. See if I can, I can't get one going, especially with the camera tilt that I have on here. Too shallow. It's windy out here too. Stop killing this battery, y'all. Sheesh, the wind is blowing me along. I'm trying to land beside myself. Yeah, and the battery battery died on me, y'all. I had to land it. See if I can stop the recording. Okay, I stopped the recording. And we're actually not that far from myself. Right here. Bring this battery all the way down to the point where we didn't have any more flight time with this guy. But that's it, y'all. We got to see both of these different digital FPV protocols flying in ideal conditions, and I think it's a difference of night and day. With this one, I think the Walksnail system is definitely better. Then again, the Hdzero system that we were looking at is actually a budget system, very, very cheap. It's like almost half the price of this one. So keep that in mind as well. And that's all we're going to do for today. Thanks for watching.